Dad, all my friends have their own house. Can we build a house too?
But dear, we can't afford building a house right now. Got an idea. I have money in my PF. I can apply for advance. Let me log in UMANG App. Applying online for advance. Okay dear, application submitted. We will get the money. 2 days later. Yes, got the PF advance. Money credited to my bank account. Dear, come. We got the money. PF has granted the advance. We can make our dream home now.
Yay!
3 months later. We finally got our own house.